Ever hit the gas but your car just hesitates? You know that awkward moment when you're trying to speed up, but your car's like, nah, I'll think about it first. Well, if your engine's hesitating, it's not just being moody, there's a real reason behind it. Let's break down why it happens and how you can fix it. Engine hesitation is when your car's engine doesn't respond immediately when you hit the gas pedal. Instead, it hesitates or stutters for a second or two. It can feel like your car is stuck in the past, and you're waiting for it to catch up. So, what causes this? There are a few common culprits. First, a dirty air filter. If the air filter is clogged, it restricts airflow to the engine, causing it to hesitate because it's not getting enough air to work efficiently. Another cause could be a faulty fuel injector. If the fuel injector isn't delivering the right amount of fuel to the engine, it's like trying to run a race with one shoe on. Your engine just won't be able to perform as well. So, how do you fix engine hesitation? Well, if you're dealing with a dirty air filter, it's an easy fix. Just replace it. If your fuel injectors are clogged, you can try using a fuel injector cleaner or have them professionally cleaned. But don't forget about spark plugs. If your spark plugs are worn out or dirty, it can cause misfires, which lead to hesitation. Replacing those bad boys can really get your engine back on track. Now that you know the causes and fixes, don't let engine hesitation hold you back. It's usually a simple issue, but if you ignore it, it could cause bigger problems down the road. So next time your car hesitates, you'll know exactly what's going on. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick car fixes. Catch you next time and happy driving!